In this video, we'll turn the auto format option in VS Code. And to show what I mean, I'm going to place a p tag here, paragraph, and I'm going to type something. So if I save something, I'm going to press Ctrl S to save it. Nothing is happening. So to format it, I have to either tab through it or I have to use the space bar and move it back. I don't want to waste time and I want Visual Code to do this job for me. To do that, I'm going to go to File, Preferences, Settings, and I have this menu. I have to go to the text editor part. And something to keep in mind, if your window is smaller, you won't have that menu, so you need to expand that window. So, and in this menu, you click on Formatting, and you have three options: Format on Paste, Format on Save, and Format on Type. I usually turn Format on Save option because I don't want my code to be corrected while I'm working on it. And another way, so let me click on it, another way to access this menu, let me close it, to go to this setting wheel and click on settings, so you're gonna get to the same place. Alright, and now if I move this back, let's say, and I move this, as soon as I save it, I can save it here, or I can just press Ctrl S. Everything goes back to how it's supposed to be. And this is how you use auto formatting option in VS Code. Thank you for watching.